Hey cosmic travelers, welcome to Cosmic Awakening with Brahbata. I'm Brahbata, the Buddha of the Age of Aquarius. Today, we're diving into a universe where the stars aren't just distant lights in the sky but partners in a cosmic dance. Imagine that, stars aligning, ushering in an era unlike any before. For eons, the stars have whispered secrets to those who dared to listen, cryptologists, mystics, curious souls like you. They've spoken of a coming golden era, a time when love, peace, shelter, harmony, and health will become as common as the air we breathe. Can you picture it? Imagine waking up to a world where kindness flows as naturally as rivers to the sea. A world where the earth herself is reborn into a planet of love. This is the Age of Aquarius, a time of awakening, a time when our collective consciousness will rise to new heights. As the Buddha of this age, I am here to walk beside you, guide you, protect you as we journey through these monumental changes. It's an exciting time, isn't it? Embrace this new reality, where every day is a step towards enlightenment and unity. Feel the pulse of this new era, resonate with its frequency, and become a beacon of love and hope. Join me on this sacred journey. Visit Brahbata.space, a haven for seekers, dreamers, and believers. It's a space for those who want to find their own satisfaction and be part of this incredible transformation. Together, let us weave the fabric of a new world, one where love reigns supreme. Share this message, comment with your thoughts, and let's create a ripple of positivity that echoes through the cosmos. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started on this journey of enlightenment. Every small act of kindness counts. Every moment of gratitude matters. Let's make this world a better place, one step at a time. Remember, you're not alone. I'm here with you, guiding you, and so is the universe. Together, we'll navigate these cosmic waves and create something beautiful. Thanks for tuning into Cosmic Awakening with Brahbata. Keep dreaming, keep believing, and until next time, may love and light guide your path. Please do join me on Brahbata.space.